Welcome to Padu Motivations. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your Tesla Model 3. This happens to be a Model 3. It's dirty right now. I'm going to show you how to wash your Tesla in an automatic car wash. Tesla does not recommend you use an automatic car wash, but I do it periodically because it's close to where I live. I'm going to also show you how to set up free roll and how to use the car wash mode. Okay, we're at the car wash. So first thing you want to do is put it in the car wash mode. You just hit the car icon, go to service, and then you want to go to car wash mode. Basically, car wash mode, just to highlight some of these talking points, is car wash mode. It closes all the windows, locks the charge port. For automatic car washes, it actually stops the wipers from moving, especially if the wipers are on automatic. And it also will obviously keep your speed under 10 miles an hour, which I don't think anybody's going to be going that fast in a car wash. So then you just hit enter car wash. And then what happens is it locks the charge port door, which is great. Walk away door locks are off. Your automatic wipers are off, like I said. All the chimes, Sentry mode is off, everything. Most importantly, your front closes your front and your trunk. So now we're going to enter the car wash. Okay, so we're entering the car wash, and in a minute, I'm going to enable free roll.
Okay. All right, we're moving in.
And I'm going to enable free roll, which is almost like the neutral. So enable free roll. Free roll is enabled now. So that's almost like your neutral. Look at the Tesla's technology. You can actually see the imaging real quick from all your onboard cameras. Again, Tesla recommends a touchless car wash for obvious reasons. They said the brushes may be a little too harsh, but I've actually done this many times. I haven't seen any noticeable scratches. As I mentioned before, I usually go here. It saves me a whole lot of time because this is actually close to my home. Looks like it's doing a good job on the sunroof. And then as soon as I get out of the car wash, then I'm gonna hit exit car wash mode, and that'll put everything back into normal. As you can see, my rear view mirrors are all collapsed, which is good. We're almost done. It actually looks good already. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna hit exit car wash mode, and that's it. And you can see the mirrors adjust back to normal. And then once you exit car wash mode, you're still in neutral. So then you just want to go ahead and hit that drive stock one time and drive out of here. And then we're going to look at the vehicle, see what kind of job it did. Okay, well, car wash is done. Check it out. What type of job did it do? I didn't think it did too bad. It looks pretty good. So that is what a car wash looks like. That's what the vehicle looks like after the car wash. It looks like it didn't do too bad of a job. Not at all. Well, listen, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some insight on washing your Tesla Model 3 at an automatic car wash. We'll see you at the next video. Also, like and subscribe for more Tesla content. We'll see you.